how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals, and I'm very excited to bring you guys and gals this one. And man, I think Bold might be in trouble. I think Blue might be in trouble. I think Motorola might be in trouble because this one right here, this one's a good one, y'all. So today what I have for y'all is my unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Alright? Man, when I saw this go on sale on Amazon and I saw that price point, I was like, oh man, we getting this. We getting this. And this was actually another one of the devices featured in my latest Crazy Deals video. So y'all guessed it, this is another bezel-less device right here with a pop-up selfie camera. Oh man, and the specs on this are ridiculous, but we're going to talk about the specs in the full review. But before we can get to the full review, we got to start the process, and to start the process, we got to take the bad boy out the box. So let's get into this. Now, as I always do, I already cut all the tapes and seals ahead of time. I went ahead and fully charged the device, signed in, dropped it into the home page, then I killed all the updates, packaged it back up, and then pushed record. This way everything is as quick as possible with minimal struggles. So that's something I do on all of my unboxings. Alright, just wanted to get that out the way. Let's go. I'm super excited, talking real fast today. Whew, calm down, son, calm down. So first off, let's talk about the packaging. Now I gotta say this is my first ever Huawei device, and I gotta say I like their packaging. I like it. Really nice presentation. You got a picture of the device up front, the model, so Y9 Prime 2019. Along the side, same thing, Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Along the top, a little bit of company branding. Along this side, same thing. Alright, on the back, a little bit of stuff in a different language that I can't read, and some certification stuff down here. Okay, so really good packaging, really clean. And then on this side, we have some band information, and then we have some FCC information, and I'm covering up the sensitive stuff with my finger so y'all can see the bands available on this device right here. So this is a GSM unlocked device, and it does come with 128 gigs of onboard storage, and this is the black model. Okay, so really good stuff there. Nice packaging, really nice presentation. Let's get this bad boy out the box. Let's go. So pop in the box, and I gotta say thank you, Huawei, for adding thumb grips to the box, so comes off real easy, no struggles. Then we have the device right here up top. Now, as I said, I already took off the tape and stickers. So let's rest this to the side real quick. Gonna come back to that, don't worry, y'all. Let's see what else comes in the box. So we got this plastic right here with some information on it. Feel free to pause and read that for yourself. Now we're gonna cover all of the specs in the full review, so don't worry. But some of y'all like to see that, so pause. There it is. Throw this off to the side real quick. Boom. Then we got another little box right here, and this has our SIM removal tool. And let's see what else we got in here. So we got our books, our warranty stuff here, and this does come with a case, it looks like. So yeah, it does come with a case. So we got our warranty card, we got our usual books down there, and we got our SIM removal tool. Probably won't even take this out. Got a bunch of SIM removal tools, so we'll probably just leave that in there. And then we have this case right here. See what this case is all about. Alright, so gel TPU case right here, clear TPU case. Alright, we're going to slap this on the device at the end of the video. Let me rest this off to the side. We're going to come back to that. Alright, let's see what else we rocking with in here. So, is it USB Type-C cables? Yes, it is indeed. USB Type-C to USB-A. So good stuff there. Let me leave that in there because we got a bunch of these cables. We don't even have to take this out. Alright. Then, headphones. Yep. Decent pair of headphones. So, this bad boy should come with a 3.5mm headphone jack. And then we got our charging brick. Let's see the specifications on the brick here. Let me get y'all a close-up. So, bam. Standard stuff there. Alright. So, pretty decent charging brick as well. Now, again, I have a bunch of those. So, this bad boy probably not coming out the box. Alright. And I do believe the Huawei Y Prime 2019, it might support quick charging. I'll let y'all know in the full review and the follow-up videos. But that's everything that comes in the box. Alright, so let's package this all back up. Everything except for the case. Leave the case out. Rest this off to the side. And now, let's take a look at the device. Yes, so this is the all black model here. And y'all can see we got that all bezel-less display up front. Alright, flipping it over to the back. We got a triple camera setup on the back. And I do believe we have one of these is a wide angle. Okay, we got a physical fingerprint sensor that's always active. Got some company branding down here. AI camera up there. Let me get y'all a close-up of that. Bam. So really good stuff. Let's walk around it real quick. Across the bottom, got our USB Type-C port and our 3.5mm headphone jack and our bottom firing speaker. Man, Huawei, thank y'all for including that. I love that right there. Okay. Along the side, we got our volume up and down rockers and our power button. Is this ridged? No, this is smooth. Smooth buttons on this, so no ridged power button. Okay. Might be hard to differentiate with it like that. Okay. Across the top, we got our pop-up selfie camera and our SIM tray. Okay. And this supports dual nano SIMs or a nano SIM and a micro SD card. So really good stuff there. All right. Real quick walk around the device. Nothing on this side. There it is. Okay. And I got to tell y'all, first impressions with this, it's got a really nice weight to it. All right. Now let's fire up the display and see how it looks. Man, look at that. Wow, baby. Wow, look at that. Check out the fingerprint sensor speed. So tap and we in business. Wow, let me do that one more time. Tap it on and we in business. So really fast fingerprint sensor. Really nice to see that they have a physical fingerprint sensor. I gotta tell y'all, I've been rocking the Bold N1 for a while now, and I'm still not a big fan of this under display fingerprint sensor. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and I did have to register my finger twice in order to get it as fast as y'all see it. But the reliability of this on-screen or under-display fingerprint sensor is not as good as the physical one. And of course, it works perfectly fine when I push record on the camera. That's one thing bold devices do. They're going to work how they're supposed to when they're on camera, unless something is wrong with them on the inside. But I gotta tell y'all, physically, I think I prefer the physical, always active fingerprint sensors over the capacitive, or not capacitive, over the under display optical ones. You know, really good stuff there. And y'all can see I did put my AT&T SIM in this. So if I swipe down, we are running on Free Up Mobile right there. Okay. And if I turn off my Wi-Fi and swipe back up, y'all can see we do got 4G LTE. So good stuff there. So everything is set up on here. The only thing I didn't do is start downloading my apps. I already signed into the Play Store. Now I was really happy to see that this came with the Play Store on board, so I don't have to worry about sideloading it. Alright, and then let me just show y'all some of the apps that come on the device. So honestly, I haven't done anything aside from sign into my my Google account and go through the initial setup and set up the fingerprint sensor. So these are all the apps that come on the device out of the box. Alright, Swiping this way. Now everything is on one page, so there doesn't seem to be an app drawer. There might be a way to enable that in the settings. I have to do some research and play around with the device. But we do have the Google feed to the leftmost homepage, so that's nice. Yeah, my Jets lost bad yesterday, and so did my Giants. Everybody lost yesterday. No judgment, y'all. But yeah, so these are the apps that come on the device out of the box. All right, and some of these you can't uninstall. So Facebook, you can uninstall that. Netflix, you can uninstall that. But then some of these you can't uninstall, like this right here. This writer mode, can't uninstall that. And some of these tools you can't uninstall. And then you can see it comes with a app gallery and a high care. Don't know what that is. Alright. So just so y'all get a general idea of some of the apps that come on the device out of the box, there it is. Now what I want to do for y'all is I want to dive in to the settings and show y'all the available storage out the box. So we are running Android 9.0 on this bad boy here, and there is a system update that I paused that was available out of the box. But yeah, if we scroll down to storage, y'all can see this bad boy does have 128 gigabytes of onboard storage, and out of that, with nothing installed on the device, you can see in terms of the apps, it's taking up almost 4 gigs in apps. And then in terms of the images, that might be wallpapers. Okay, so you can see they do have some preloaded apps on here totaling in 4 gigs. Alright, I gotta adjust the display timeout, but you can see it's using 15.46 gigabytes out of 128. Alright, so that's that. And then yeah, other than that, it looks a little different, but it seems to be very straightforward. Okay, but first impressions, I am liking the device. As I said, I do like the weight of it. This display looks great. Okay, now I haven't signed into YouTube or anything like that, so I can't give y'all my first impressions on the speakers or anything like that. But what I will do is once I set it up, I'll come back with a setup video and let y'all know what I think. Okay, and I don't know how long it's gonna take because I got some other stuff I'm working on. But first impressions, just straight out of the box, setting it up, doing the initial setup, it seems to be a really good device. And spoiler, I'm gonna go ahead and spoil it here for y'all. I paid $228 for this bad boy, and that includes taxes. Okay, and I got it on Amazon Prime, so I got the free 2-day shipping. So really good stuff there. And this makes it about $22 cheaper than the Bold N1. Alright, so just so y'all can see there, let me set this display so it will stop timing out here. Display sleep 30 seconds. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Gonna have to put that on never. I don't like my displays to time out. I like to turn them off when I'm done with them. But yeah, so I picked up this bad boy for $228. Really good stuff on this one. And you know, I think it's gonna be really, really good. Anyways, I think that does it for my unboxing and first impressions. Let me just show y'all what the case looks like on the device real quick, and then we'll get up out of here. Alright, so slapping it on. Alright, so y'all can see really nice precision cutouts. So we got cutouts for our headphone jack, USB Type-C port, speakers, microphone. Okay, our volume rocker and our power buttons is covered. Alright, we do have a little bit of a raised lip over here, so there is a little bit of screen protection. And the top is completely open, so you can still access your SIM card tray and your SD card tray. And I understand why they have to leave that open, because they want to make space for the pop-up camera. But the thing is, Bold managed to give you a case, and they got that precision cutout for the pop-up camera. So maybe they could have made a case like this, but it is what it is. This is an included case. I'm happy they included one. Would have loved to have seen a screen protector, but it is what it is. Alright, so really good case, minimal protection on this, maximum cutouts, fingerprint sensor cutout, camera cutouts. Let me check that camera bump there. So we do have a raised lip for the camera cutout. So if I put the device down, not scratching up the cameras, good stuff there. So a nice included case with the Y9 Prime 2019. We're just going to call that the Y9 from now on because that's a long name. Anyways, that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions, guys and gals. As always, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video or you found it helpful in any way, shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, including the full review when I'm done shooting it, including the camera walkthrough, software walkthrough, all that good stuff, please feel free to subscribe and hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. This whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second. And all of the audio for this video here today was recorded using the Boya BY01 shotgun style microphone. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality and the overall audio quality down below in the comments. That being said, I'll catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace everyone. We out of here.
Perfect.